So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to scroll to your phone menu and try to search for settings app. So when you find your settings app, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to search for apps and notifications. So tap on your apps and notification. Now wait for it to load, and after loading, what you are going to see is see your app. So as you can see all 321 apps. So tap on it. So immediately tap on it, you're going to see all your app listed in alphabetical form. So what you have to do is to try to search for Facebook. So as you can see, Facebook is going to be around this place. So as you can see, this is Facebook. So tap on it to open it when you find it. Now tap on storage and cache, and then tap on the clear cache. Tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Then go back, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So tap on it to open it. Then search for FB or Facebook. Tap on it and make sure you have the latest version of Facebook. So you have to tap on updates. But when you find open like mine, don't tap on it in anything. Just go back and refresh your phone or restart your phone. So tap on the updates. And lastly, tap on the power button for some more. This is going to pop up. Tap on restart or reboot to reboot the app after updating. Thank you very much. This problem is going to be fixed after restarting or updating it.